Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage rustic farmhouse decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Vintage rustic farmhouse decor is a warm, cozy interior style that combines the charm of old-fashioned vintage spaces with the natural beauty of rustic materials and the simple, practical feel of farmhouse living. The goal is to create a home that feels welcoming, lived in, and full of history. Here are some tips for creating a vintage rustic farmhouse home. Embrace imperfections. Choose furniture with scratches, knots, faded paint, or worn edges. These natural imperfections add authenticity and character. Use vintage storage. Store everyday items in wooden crates, wicker baskets, galvanized metal bins, antique trunks. This keep your home organized while adding rustic charm. Quality over quantity. Vintage rustic farmhouse design follows fewer, old-made items instead of filling every space with decorations. Each piece should be useful, beautiful, or meaningful. Nature plays a big role. Natural elements are essential. Wood, stone, linen, cotton, wicker, and greenery help create a calm, welcoming environment. Fresh flowers, dried lavender, olive branches, or eucalyptus add life without overwhelming the room. Warm, comfortable spaces. Comfort is one of the most important features of this style. Think of soft knit blankets, linen cushions, thick oven rugs, comfortable armchairs, warm lighting from table lamps and candles. Every room should invite people to relax and stay awhile. The beauty of is, unlike modern styles that often aim for perfection, vintage rustic farmhouse decor appreciates signs of ease. Weathered wood, faded paint, old brush, and worn leather add authenticity and charm, making a home feel lived in rather than brand new. Handmade details. Handcrafted items bring warmth and uniqueness. Consider decorating with crochet blankets, hand-woven baskets, handmade pottery, coils, wooden bowls, ceramic pitchers. These pitchers add texture and character while celebrating traditional craftsmanship. Balance is important. A successful vintage rustic farmhouse home balances rustic textures with open, uncluttered spaces. Too many decorative items can make our room feel crowded, so leave some surfaces clear to let special pieces stand out. Timeless rather than trendy. One of the greatest strengths of this style is that it doesn't go out of fashion. By combining classic furniture, natural materials, and vintage treasures, you create a home that remains beautiful and welcoming for years to come. wooden cutting boards as decor. Lean a few wooden cutting boards against your kitchen backsplash. They add warmth and are practical for everyday use. Add woven baskets everywhere. Use baskets to store blankets, magazines, firewood, towels, toys, or fresh produce. They keep your home organized while adding natural textures. Decorate with old glass. Display vintage glass bottles or jars on windowsills or shelves. Fill them with dried flowers or leave them empty for a simple, elegant look. Choose timeless hardware. Replace shiny cabinet handles with finishes like matte black, edged brass, oil wrapped bronze. These finishes complement rustic wood beautifully. Keep windows light and airy. Choose simple linen or cotton curtains that let natural light fill the room. Bright spaces feel more welcoming and highlight natural textures. Mix different textures. Combine smooth ceramics, rough wood, often wicker, soft linen, and edged metal. The contrast makes the room feel rich and interesting without needing bold colors. Create cozy reading corners. Place a comfortable chair near a window with a small wooden side table, a table lamp, a woven basket for books, a soft throw blanket. It's a simple way to add warmth and functionality. Let your decor evolve. Don't rush to finish every room. Add meaningful vintage finds, handmade pieces, or family heirlooms over time. A collected look feels more authentic than buying everything at once. Decorate in layers. Instead of placing one item on a surface, layer your decor. Lean a vintage frame against the wall. Place a small mirror behind it. Add a candle and a small plant in front. Finish with a stack of old books. This creates depth and a curated look. Let wood be the star. Choose one or two statement wooden pages, such as a farmhouse dining table, a reclaimed wood coffee table, and antique huts, floating wooden shelves. Natural wood gives the room warmth and authenticity. Use soft, muted patterns. Introduce classic farmhouse patterns like gingham, small floral prints, ticking stripes, plaid. Use them on pillows, curtains, table runners, or quilts without overwhelming the room. Display everyday kitchen items. Instead of hiding everything, showcase beautiful everyday essentials. Wooden spoons in a crock, ceramic canisters, white dishes, glass and storage jars, linen tea towels. Functional items can become part of the decor. Create visual balance. If one side of a room has a large cabinet, Balance it with a floor lamp, a tall plant, a large oven basket, a gallery wall. Balanced rooms feel calm and inviting. Use warm ambient lighting. Instead of relying only on bright ceiling lights, add table lamps, wall sconces, lanterns, LED candles. Multiple light sources create a cozy evening atmosphere. Incorporate handmade textiles. Decorate with crochet table joiners, knitted truss, quilts, hand-woven rugs, embroidered pillow covers. These pieces bring warmth and craftsmanship into your home. Keep decorations meaningful. Choose decor that reflects your story, such as family heirlooms, travel sovereigns, handmade pottery, vintage finds from local markets. Mix metal finishes carefully. Instead of using only one metal, combine two complementary finishes, such as black iron with edged brass, copper with matte black, antique bronze with galvanized steel. This adds depth while keeping the look cohesive. Add copper accents. Copper pots, kettles, trays, or pitchers develop a beautiful patina over time and pair wonderfully with rustic wood. Use large statement pieces. Instead of many small decorations, choose one eye-catching item, such as a large antique clock, an oversized wooden mirror, a vintage farmhouse cabinet, or reclaimed wood bench. This creates a strong focal point. Bring charm to the entryway. Welcome guests with a wooden bench, open baskets underneath, hooks for hats and bags, a vintage mirror, a small lantern or table lamp. The entryway sets the tone for the rest of the home. Keep the home relaxed. Vintage rustic farmhouse decor should never feel overly formal. Leave a folded throw on the sofa. Keep a basket of blankets nearby, or display a favorite mug on an open shelf.